What's up, homies? Welcome back to Teach Me Tuesdays. If you guys have a request for a tutorial, the link for that, the Discord, is in the description below or up on the screen. There's also a tip button, thank you button, where you can leave a tip if this video helps you out. So today we're going to learn how to play Communicate by Joe Samba. So grab your ukuleles and let's go jam. Okay, so the first chord we're going to play is 4 chords, by the way, the entire song. So the first chord we're going to play is G minor. We're going to cover the bottom string here, 1st fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then the 2nd string, 3rd fret. We're going to play E flat. We're going to cover the top 3 strings here on the 3rd fret and the bottom string on the 1st fret. We're going to play B flat, cover the bottom 2 strings here on the 1st fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, top string, 3rd fret. And we're also going to play F, cover the top string on the 2nd fret and the 2nd string on the 1st fret. Okay? Alright guys, so for this song we're going to start with an intro. We got verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus, a bridge, chorus, and outro. Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick note about the strumming. I play by ear. I learned and I taught myself how to play by listening to the music on the radio and then emulating it the best way I could. The reason that I put the play along portion of the videos is so that you can watch what my hands are doing and copy it for yourself. There's even a feature on YouTube where you can slow down the video, and I think that could also help, is to watch it in a slower speed and you can see and listen for every time my fingers hit the strings. I apologize that I wasn't properly educated. I apologize that I am not an educator and I cannot properly tell you how to strum. That is why I don't include strumming tutorials, because I technically don't know how to strum. I just hear what I hear and then I emulate it for myself. Again, I apologize. I'm truly sorry. It is what it is. Sorry. So the only thing about this song is that there is a bridge which is played differently, and I will show you how the bridge is played. So the intro, the verse, and the chorus, they're all played the same. It's going to sound like this. Okay, so the verse, chorus, everything like that, it's going to be G minor, E flat, B flat, and then F. Okay? G minor, E flat, B flat, and F. So remember, that's how you play the intro, the verse, and the chorus. The only thing that's different is going to be the bridge, which is going to sound like this. It's going to be E flat and G minor. Okay, so it's going to sound. So that's how you play the bridge. Okay, so take those 2 things that I just showed you, let's put it all together and let's play along. Okay, ready? Let's start with the intro, where it's kind of these slow little strums, same chords, G minor, E flat, B flat, and then F. Then verse 1. Okay, chorus. I'm here to write a song for the broken. Okay, verse 2. chorus. Ukes. Okay, get ready because we're going to the bridge. Okay, E flat. Oops. G minor. And then F, chorus. I'm here to write a song. Oh, he does little strums. Going back to the reggae strum. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's tutorial. If you're new here, subscribe if you liked the video, give it a like, and if this video helps you out, maybe leave a tip with the thank you button below. In the description, there is the link to the Discord where you can put in your tutorial requests, and also the link to the merch store where you can use your coupon code. Alright, see you guys next time. Kidding.